Welcome to the second chapter on Kali Linux. This is Kali Linux tutorial. Key features of Kali Linux. Kali Linux stands out in the realm of cybersecurity due to its array of potent features tailored specifically for penetration testing and security auditing. One of the most noteworthy aspects of Kali Linux is its extensive suite of pre-installed security tools, which encompasses over 600 testing programs. These tools range from network analysis to vulnerability assessment, encompassing popular choices like Nmap, Wireshark, and Metasploit. This pre-configured arsenal is invaluable for security professionals, offering a comprehensive toolkit right out of the box. Another significant feature is the customizable and secure environment provided by Kali Linux. Users can configure the system to meet their unique needs, whether it involves adding new tools, configuring the desktop environment, or optimizing system security. Kali's commitment to security extends to its secure development practices and a rigorous build environment, ensuring that each release is vetted for vulnerabilities. Frequent updates further enrich the utility of Kali Linux. Regularly updated repositories and a systematic release schedule ensure that users have access to the latest tools and security patches. This ongoing maintenance is critical for staying ahead of evolving cyber threats and maintaining the effectiveness of security measures. Support for a wide range of devices and hardware is another key highlight. Kali Linux can be deployed on diverse platforms, including ARM devices, smartphones, and cloud environments, allowing flexibility in various operational contexts. The operating system's adaptability also extends to its accessibility via live USBs or virtual machines, enabling users to conduct security assessments without the need for full system installations. A specialized feature deserving particular mention is the forensic mode. When activated, Kali Linux operates in a forensic-friendly manner, ensuring no automatic writing to internal storage devices. This mode is essential for forensic investigations, facilitating the collection and analysis of digital evidence without compromising its integrity. Kali Linux in ethical hacking. Kali Linux stands as a cornerstone in the field of ethical hacking, providing a robust platform for security professionals to assess and enhance information system defenses. Ethical hackers leverage Kali Linux to perform rigorous tests, identifying and analyzing vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious entities. The distribution's extensive toolkit, which encompasses network analysis, vulnerability assessment, and penetration testing utilities, transforms Kali Linux into an indispensable resource for ethical hacking pursuits. One of the critical aspects of ethical hacking involves simulating real-world cyber attacks in a controlled environment. Through these simulations, ethical hackers can scrutinize the resilience of an organization's security infrastructure. Tools such as Nmap for network scanning, Metasploit for exploitation, and Wireshark for packet analysis, integrated seamlessly within Kali Linux, facilitate detailed examinations of system vulnerabilities. By identifying security weaknesses, ethical hackers deliver actionable insights and recommendations aimed at fortifying defenses against potential threats. Additionally, Kali Linux supports ethical hacking's broader goals by fostering responsible disclosure practices. When vulnerabilities are detected, it's imperative for ethical hackers to report their findings to the relevant stakeholders, ensuring that appropriate mitigations are implemented promptly. This responsible approach not only enhances the security posture of individual organizations but also contributes to the overall stability of the digital ecosystem. The importance of ethical hacking cannot be overstated in the current landscape of escalating cyber threats. Kali Linux empowers ethical hackers with the necessary tools to anticipate and neutralize security risks proactively. As a consequence, both public and private sector entities increasingly adopt Kali Linux to safeguard their digital assets. It is a testament to the distribution's effectiveness and comprehensive capabilities in the realm of cybersecurity. Thank you for watching. We recommend you to subscribe to the channel and we will bring more videos on Kali Linux.